Hello guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make spaghetti strap mini gown. So now for the full length is 39, the bust is 34, the waist is 28, the hip is 36, and the back is 14. The around arm is 11. So you are going to be needing 1.5 yard. So now for the full length of my gown is 39. So now that 39, what you are going to be doing, you are going to be removing 5 inches from the upper up. So 5 inches minus 39 is going to be remainder 34. So the length of my gown now will be 34. So plus 2 inches for the turning and the down parts, so making 36. So anything you are going to be bringing out here for the length is 36. So that's why I've measured it out now. I measured my 36 because you are still going to be adding a strap at the upper for the sleeve is strap. So what I want to do here, I want to take my normal bust measurement. The normal bust measurement is 34. 34 divided by 4 is 8.5. So you are going to mark your 8.5. So plus 1.5 inch. So it's going to be giving out 9.5, 10 inches. Sorry. So from the upper parts, you are going to be removing 5 inches. So you are going to be starting your measurement from that 5 inches that you remove. You are going to be placing your measurement and measure the waist and the hip measurements. So from the shoulder to waist is 16. From the shoulder to hip is 36. So now 28 divided by 4 is 7 inches. So for the hip, 36 divided by 4 is 9 inches. You are also going to be adding 1.5 inch, or if you like, you can add 1 inches to it, to your measurement. So now if you get to the hip point, like now the hip of my measurement is a 9. So if you add maybe 1.5 inches to it, you are going to, for the down parts, to make it fitted, you are going to be removing 1 inch. So now if it's 10.5, you are going to remove 1 inch, making 9.5 for the down part to make it fitted. So now I'm going to be cutting it out. So now you are going to be cutting out 2 for this. So what I want to do here, you are going to measure 5 inch from that center. That is my 5 inch. Sorry for using pen, my chalk is not showing on it. So you are going for the arm hook of, you are going to be using 2 inches from that point and cut it out. You are going to measure from that place that you measure your 5 inches, you are going to trace it down to that 2 inches and just cut out the curve. So now you're going to be cutting out 2 for it. So now what I want to do here, I want to cut out a long strap from the remaining materials. Now I've cut out my long strap by the length of the material that is remaining. So I use 1.5 inches by wideness and the length of the materials. I'm going to be cutting out 2 of it. So now what you have to do now, you are going to look for the inside of the clothes. So from there you are going to place your materials. This is not the face, this is the inside of the materials. So you are just going to place your strap on it and stitch it straight. So after stitching it, you are just going to turn it outside and stitch the other side. So this is the outside now. You're just going to give it that neat effect. So you are going to do for the two side. So now after sewing, this is it. It's going to be giving you that neat effect. This is the inside, while this is the outside. You are going to flip it. That's what I'm trying to explain here. So now you are going to take the two face. You are going to be the outside of the material. You are going to be using to face each other this way. This is the outside. You are going to use it to face each other. So now from there, you know, this is the inside. You are going to use your strap. After stitching it to that place, you know, like I said earlier, the upper strap that I removed from here, from the material, is 5 inches. So now I'm just going to make it 11 inches. So 5 plus 5 for the strap, making 10. You're going to add extra 1 inches, so making 11. So after measuring your 11, you start your other sewing from that place. So after sewing it, you're just going to take it to your machine and just turn it outside the way I did it. Now you're going to sew it straight. Just try to arrange it very well so that there won't be any mistake. Do you see the strap? I'm trying to make it neat. You are just going to sew it to the other side. So after sewing, you are going to do it for the other sleeve too. So after doing it together, you are just going to sew your bodycon dress the way you want. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.